maglalakad pa kayo. Maglakad kayo dito. Look at EA. Tignan mo si EA. Diba? Kita mo yung wall. Kita nyo.
Huh? You really think it's a good idea to rely on as well? She's got the point. What about your guess, Sammy? I think we should add a couple.
Takbo na tayo. Hindi tayo madadapa. Nasa bubong tayo. Baba na tayo.
Actually, there's someone I want to see.
Okay. Tara sa taas muna.
Sammy and his mysteries. Anyway, we need our players.
Tatalon ako. Para ano? Talon. Talon.
By the way, my secret guest loves colorful cake. Great. We can even make special frosting.
Oh, galing ni EA. Alam nyo kung paano ako naglalakad dito, oh. Ano? Ganito lang, oh. Nagganto ako. Ting, ting. Ganyan, tapos ganan, tapos gineto ko lang yung cellphone ko. Gineto ko taas. Wee! Tapos,
It is not hard at all.
tapos binabaliktad ko ng ganito. Ganan, ganan, baliktad. Kaya pala, baliktad. Yun.